Here is a 1.5-hour interview with an AI researcher, and I want to find the key moments, the highlight moments that I can use for a teaser or a summary. And instead of watching the entire interview and manually looking for those snippets, I want to find them with the help of AI. For this, I use Automation Agent for Adobe Premiere. In the MCP server settings, I make sure that Automation Agent is connected to the agent I want to use. This could be Claude Code, for example, but in this case I'm using OpenAI Codex. Since I don't want the agent to accidentally change anything in my project, I want to be extra careful here. Most of the time nothing goes wrong, but it never hurts to be safe. So I go to the execution permissions, and there I restrict write access to the project. This means the agent is not allowed to modify anything in my project, with one exception: markers in the active sequence. So in the active sequence of the currently open project, the agent is now allowed to insert and modify markers. That's exactly what I want here, because once the agent has found the key moments, it should represent them as markers directly inside my timeline. In the Automation Agent documentation, you'll find a section called Workflow Recipes. And there is already a ready-to-use workflow called Highlight and Teaser Moments from Active Sequence. From that documentation, we can simply copy the prompt and paste it in our agent. Then we run it. After about 3.5 minutes of processing, Codex has found and ranked 16 highlight moments in this case. Each highlight moment is represented directly in the timeline by a marker. And each marker contains detailed information, like a short description of why this moment was chosen, plus a score. Let's take a look at some of the moments it found.
So my main quest is to understand the principles that underlie intelligence, and I believe that this happens through learning.
And then we maybe also look at this one.
One thing I'm more worried about is the use of technology now, or in the next couple of years, or 5 or 10 years, where the technology could be developed and used in a way that could either be very good for many people or not so good for many people. So, for example, military use.
And that's how easy it is to identify highlight moments with the help of AI directly inside your Adobe Premiere timeline.